Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I don't often do reviews, but a while back I bought these Barbies on clearance. This one and another one I'll be showing you soon. They're both the Curvy Girls. I bought these for my monthly crafters. I'd like to show them how to extend a pattern. So I thought I'd open one up, actually a couple, and we'll take a look at these dolls. I also want to see, and I'm not real hopeful, well, that's packaged pretty good. This is, by the way, one of the older Fashionistas. This is 105. This is not new. Been out a while. I know a lot of you have this girl. The only thing I don't like so far, I need my glasses. Okay, I love this. They have a shield between the piece that you cut and her hair. And because she has tight curls, that is really important. I used to wear big earrings like this doll has on, and I used to wear long beaded earrings. It was the late 60s, early 70s. My parents hated me wearing, I was in junior high school, and they hated me wearing the hoops. They were sure I'd get into a fight and get my earring pulled out. Okay, and then you just gently take that off. Well, that's pretty cool. I like that. But here she is. She has the 1970s fro is what I call it. Well, I like her. Wow, look at her beautiful face. That is well done, Mattel. Again, I love the hoop earrings. They're a little bigger than I used to wear, but that's all right. What I do not like, I will say it again and again and again, are these tiny flat feet with nothing but the little white tennis shoes. Give us some fashion shoes, even if they're flats. What I want to do is try a couple shirts on her. I bought these on clearance, and I'm hoping that this particular shirt fits because I've got a blue skirt that I'd like to make for this doll. I'm surprised there's no Velcro or anything on this, and I don't know how we're going to get this past these hips. And I'm not making fun of her because guess what? I have those too. Oh, do I ever. Okay, that's going to stretch that dress. How did they get it on? Maybe over her head? I don't think so. She is a thick girl. She has regular articulation, her arms do go out to the side. I like that very much. I do like it when their legs go out so that they can ride a horse, and I really do mean ride a model horse because I have a lot of them. I have horses and I am a horseback rider. Have been for, well, most of my life. And I like a doll that can ride a horse. All right, let's pull these Care Bear shirts out. I got these on clearance also quite a while back. I buy in advance. If I see something like this, I will buy it knowing that I will use it later. This is a one-arm shirt, and that's the hope of it. It's a cute shirt. I am really hoping that these girls can wear it. Well, look at that. I think they can. I do like, I think they must print that Velcro on there. Maybe not, but it sure seems like it. I like that invisible Velcro, but look at that. It will hook up, which means if you are a monthly crafter and you are watching this, you're going to be making a blue skirt pretty soon. So I'm pleased about that. Let's try this other shirt on real quick. And, oh, trying to hurry. Our camera only goes so long, and we're trying to do this in one swing. We'll see. All right, yeah, that looks like it'll fit too. Well, I'll be doggone. Sometimes these outfits, these Barbie outfits, will barely fit any of the Barbies. So I am very pleased about this. This is a cute top too. I like the Care Bears. They're just cute. Care Bears and Barbie. Because Because this shirt has a little stretch to it, look at that. Isn't that cute? Boy, she's got a pretty face. I do want to kind of fluff her hair more, but I like this doll. And the little blue skirt would go with, well, I guess she needs more of a purple skirt or a pair of jeans with that. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.